Jason Abbott here with American Honda. We're in Prescott, Arizona for the 2018 Africa Twin Adventure Sports Press Intro. We're here with the Upshift guys, giving them a basic rundown of the all-new machine from American Honda. Alright, so just to start you off on basic changes that were made to this model, you know, obviously visually you see a larger fuel tank. We're up just shy of 1.5 gallons, so we're 6.4 gallons with this new tank. Another big part of the new machine is the updated suspension. We have longer travel suspension, we have more ground clearance, updated compression and rebound settings. I mean, realistically, this bike definitely offers, you know, more. You have more protection, you have more range, you have more wind protection. Realistically, this is the bike that you know, the serious guy that wants the premium product, that wants, you know, the next level of Africa Twin. This is it. With the new Africa Twin Adventure Sports, the electronics package is updated substantially over the current model DCT. So what you have power modes. You have 3 power modes, 1, 2, 3. You have engine braking control, 3 levels of that. You have torque control. There's 7 layers of torque control, and you can also shut it off. You still have the shift points, the S mode. You can still change 3 levels of shift points. There is the standard drive mode, and then also you have obviously ABS rear shut off and the gravel mode. So there it is. So this is the quick rundown of the bike. Like I said before, this is the premium Africa Twin, the premium product from American Honda. It comes at a great time, as this is the 30th anniversary of the first Africa Twin model. Everybody at Honda is very excited about this model, and we look forward to seeing what the guys from Upshift have to say.